Several persons who tried to bury their loved ones at the Meadowrest Memorial Gardens in St. Catherine today experienced major delays because of a protest. The police had to be called in after workers who were laid off earlier this week blocked the entrance to the cemetery. TVJ's Anthony LUGG explains.
A worker sweeps broken bottles from the entrance of the Meadowrest Memorial Gardens on Saturday as the police remove the chains from the main gate. The place where persons go to lay their loved ones to rest turned into a battleground after workers who were recently laid off chained the main gate.
We have around 150 workers and nobody now get no work. No mason now get no work. No grave man now get no work. Man them we are buried dead now get no work. Security now get no work. Everybody lay off. It's gonna be nice making.
The showdown caused major traffic delays on the outside, and by all indications, persons weren't pleased.
I don't understand what's going on.
Ridiculous.
You know? This is ridiculous, man.
I leave tomorrow. I'm here to bury my uncle, and it's very annoying that we should be sitting like this after paying all this money for a burial and a plot.
This is obviously very distressing for the bereaved family and for the wife and the children and grandkids. So we're hoping we can get it resolved today, because coming back another day is going to be very, very inconvenient.
Would you be able to stay back tomorrow? Or?
Well, I have no choice, but it's going to cost me the fee for a change of ticket. You pay a change fee, and sometimes there's a difference in the airfare, so it's additional cost for me. So it's an inconvenience all around.
But after several hours of waiting, the police arrived, and within minutes, relatives were allowed onto the premises.
From what we have picked up is that they have been asking for a meeting for some time, but this has not materialized. Hence, the workers chained the gate and barred persons from going in and out of the premises. So we came in and resolved the matter. As you can see, the fire truck was called, but we have already had both locks removed.
The police say they'll be keeping a close eye on the area. Anthony LUGG, TVJ News.